All right, guys. I just want to remind you, I know some people just wait till the last minute. I want to remind you that you basically have about a day left to get the Butterflies Options course at a discount if you're interested in it. If you're not interested in it, that's totally okay. It's not a problem. But if you are interested in it and if you've been hearing about the promotion, then you should jump on it because we've been doing this promotion probably about a month. It's one of the few times where we go ahead and do a discount code or coupon codes. We don't really do a lot of coupon codes. It just takes a lot more time. Normally what businesses and companies do, if you really look at the coupon world and business, how people feel good about it is that, they just raise the rates, just like in volatilities and options, they raise the rates and then they lower the rates, after the weekend or before the weekend, after the weekend. So, a lot of businesses in the retail world, they say, hey, that shirt is $90 or $100. And now this week you can get it for $50. We really don't do that. We don't play around with price too much with the coupon codes because I feel like, hey, we just try to give a good, fair value for what we offer. So if you want to save a little bit of money, this is our way to go ahead and reward people that have been purchasing other courses in the past. So if you purchased, maybe the Iron Condors, the calendars, the diagonals course, and you want to continue your education, this is a way to go ahead and save a little bit of money moving forward, but still continue to get a good grasp and handle on the butterflies. So if you haven't been watching our videos, we have the butterfly course that's set to kind of expire. Just like in the options world, they're set to expire. The coupon code is set to expire right there at the end of September. So make sure you go ahead and purchase that code or the course right before that. This is Eastern time. So if you're in Australia, if you're in California, it's going to be a little bit different, right? So we're talking about stock market time, Eastern time, New York time. So get it before October 1st. And that way you can save a little bit on your purchase. Now, if you want to save another $50, make sure you go ahead and record a video testimonial from a past course, past book, past coaching session that you've done, or even the videos that you've watched on our YouTube channel. We could probably accept that as well. And if the testimonial gets accepted, the team will send you another $50 coupon towards your purchase on the butterfly course. So in either case, this course is very detailed. If you're interested in it, you can go ahead and check it out at learn.com. If you're not there and you're on our tradersfly.com website, that's fine. Just scroll down. You can go ahead and click the link here or click the button at the top. It'll take you and redirect you to that course anyway. And as you look through this course, you can go ahead and see all of the different modules that are there. And we've been releasing it in segments. That's just to double check things if we missed anything. Not to mention most people, they don't go ahead and watch a full course that's 24 hours in a single sitting. It takes multiple days to get through this course. It's kind of like going to an event or seminar for multiple days. It takes multiple days to go through an event and seminar, and that's the same thing here. So we've just been releasing it in a staggered way. But for example, part 3 here is about adjustments, setting it up, structuring the trade. Part 4 is about strategy ideas, kind of the first batch, and part 5 is another strategy ideas. And we'll be adding a couple more trades, I think, at the end of October or towards the end of October as I finish up those trades. I wanted to really have enough trade examples, but they just take a while to get through because we will record these trade examples at like 30 days out, and then I have to go to day 27, 26, 25, and 20 and 18. If I'm still in the trade, I'm still recording it. So sometimes it's a little bit longer that I'm in the trade, and for that reason, some of the examples may take a little bit longer. And that's just because I want the course to be better. It's not that it's incomplete, it's just that, hey, I want to make sure you have enough trade examples in this course. So anyways, without further ado, remember, if you're serious about this course, if you want to save a little bit, if you've purchased other courses in the past and you like the type of teaching that we do here, then be sure to check this course out. It's one of the few times that we go ahead and do sales discounts and promotions. We just try to kind of reward back the people that have been with us and give them a little bit of a price break. So, in addition, don't forget, if you're interested in a coaching session, with this, you can also get that half off with any of our courses. That basically you can go ahead and book an additional one-on-one session with me, and that's half off basically on the session for a good 45 minutes that we can discuss and talk about either butterflies, your trading plan, and that kind of thing. So Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you in the course. If not, maybe again in another free video, a free webinar, another material, one-on-one coaching, wherever. You know, I always enjoy chatting and talking with people and helping you guys out because it's fun. It's the personal aspect that I really enjoy, and talking to high-level thinkers and that kind of thing is really a pleasure for me. So thank you for being a part of this channel, commenting, reaching out, emailing. It's all great. I enjoy it, and I hope to see you there in the course. Thanks again, and I will see you next time.